Joining us now is Lynne Ford, the president and CEO of MissionSquare Retirement, the sponsor of the 2022 ICMA Annual Conference. Hi, thanks for being here.
Glad to be here.
So tell us about MissionSquare Retirement and its partnership with ICMA.
MissionSquare Retirement and ICMA have been partners since 1972.
Wow, long time.
And we share a mission, and that's to serve those who've chosen public service careers. And over that time period, over the 50 years, we've assisted over 3 million participants in reaching retirement securely. We're very happy to be the premier sponsor of this year's conference. It's our 20th year, and we are very proud to be the official retirement services provider for ICMA.
Oh, that's great. And the theme this year at ICMA's conference is Achieving Excellence Together. So what is MissionSquare doing in that regard?
Well, a couple of things. Obviously, our mission is to serve those who've chosen public service careers, but also to help their communities thrive and to impact their communities. So I would mention three things. The first is the establishment of the MissionSquare Retirement Foundation, which we established at the end of last year with a 10-year, $20 million grant, giving back to the communities that we serve. And the impact and focuses that we're looking at is the areas of youth and civic engagement, as well as financial literacy. So early next year, we'll have more details about the programs and partners that we will be working with to achieve that. The second thing I would mention is the MissionSquare Scholarship Fund. And for now over 20 years, we've been providing and awarding scholarships to children of fallen public service employees, folks lost in the line of duty, for example, and we've awarded over $2 million to hopefully impact their success, and maybe one day they will be in a position to give back to their community.
Oh, absolutely.
The third thing that I would mention is the MissionSquare Research Institute. And our Research Institute is solely focused on public workforce development issues. So challenges that our communities face, lingering effects of the pandemic, the Great Resignation, things like diversity, equity, and inclusion. And then we also work with industry groups and congressional staff at the state and federal level, really to share our perspectives on legislation and policies that could positively impact our plan sponsors and our participants.
That's great. Wow, we have a lot of things going on, a lot of great things going on. And MissionSquare is now in its 50th year. So what's next?
Well, one of the things I'll start by saying that's not going to change in the next 50 years is our mission. We've changed our name recently. We love having mission in our name, and the mission to serve those in the public service sector is our commitment for the future. That being said, we do operate with a technology platform that is constantly changing and enhancing, and we would expect to find ways to make it more efficient, effective, easier to do business with us from that perspective, and enable our participants' success with their retirement plans. And then in our business model, we marry that with certified financial planners and retirement plan specialists that work with participants on a local level and a personal level to create their roadmap for success for their personal retirement. So that, married with our community impact programs, are the things that we'll be focused on to achieve our mission.
Well, it's easy to see why ICMA wanted to partner with MissionSquare Retirement. It's just a great partnership. Lynne Ford, thank you so much for being here with us today.
Thank you. Appreciate the opportunity.